Where we usually start with design build is we come up with a floor plan with our client, lay out the space that works best for them, not just in terms of design but also in functionality. And we graduate from there to starting to pick out materials, and clients can choose their tile, their countertop, paint colors, cabinet doors, and even their finishes on their fixtures. From there we'll further evolve using some new technology, creating an entire 3D world. So we'll draw up the floor plans on the computer, and from there we can generate renderings that show all of the selections that they've picked. And they can move around in this world in real time, and they can come to a final conclusion whether they like the original composition, which is a great thing because design process is never done. We're always changing things, and so is the client. So we can go in and we can change these countertops to something different. We can change the tile, we can change the flooring until they're 100% satisfied. And then after all that's done, we can begin the project.